In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell domains on Namecheap. Whether you have an extra domain you're not using or you're trying to flip domains for a profit, I'll walk you through the simple steps you need to follow inside your Namecheap account. First, make sure you're logged in to your Namecheap account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main account area. From here, you want to go to your Namecheap dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see all of your products, including the domains you own. If you're not already on the dashboard, look near the top or in the main navigation and click on the option labeled dashboard to get there. On your dashboard, you'll see different sections for things like domains, hosting, and other services. To manage the domains you want to sell, you need to open the domain list. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the option that says domain list. Go ahead and select that. This will display a list of all the domains currently registered under your account. Take a moment to scan through this list and locate the specific domain you want to sell. If you have many domains, you may find it helpful to use the search box at the top of the domain list page to quickly find the one you're looking for. Once you've found the domain you plan to put up for sale, look to the right side of that row. You'll see a button labeled Manage. Click the Manage button next to that domain. When you open the Manage page for your selected domain, you'll see a series of tabs and settings related to that domain, such as name servers, redirects, and sharing options. For the purpose of selling your domain, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Don't worry if you see a lot of options on the way down. You don't need to change anything else unless you're sure of what you're doing. Near the bottom, look for a section called Other Domain Settings. This is where Namecheap groups some of the extra tools and options that don't fit into the main categories above. Inside this section, you should see an option labeled Sell Domain. This is the feature that lets you list your domain for sale through Namecheap's supported marketplace options. Click the Sell Domain button. After you click it, Namecheap may prompt you with additional fields or settings, such as confirming that you really want to list the domain, choosing a marketplace, or possibly entering a price or price range. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If there's a place to set your price, think about what similar domains are going for, and consider starting with a price that reflects the domain's length, keywords, and potential value. Once you've saved or confirmed your choices, your domain will be set up for sale based on the options you selected. It can take a little time for the listing to propagate across the marketplace, so don't worry if you don't see immediate activity. You can always return to your domain list and the Manage page later to adjust your settings, update the price, or remove the domain from sale if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. By going from your Namecheap dashboard to your domain list, managing the domain, and using the Sell Domain option under Other Domain Settings, you can quickly and easily put your domains up for sale.